Verilux Original SmartLight LED Floor Lamp Full Spectrum Natural Daylight for Reading, Artists, Crafts Dimmable, Adjustable Standing Light with Gooseneck. Flicker-free, strain-free illumination. This floor lamp's natural spectrum LED lighting mimics natural daylight, while its Optix lens reduces glare to make the light easier on the eyes. With this lamp, you can work or craft longer and more productively. Adjustable color temperature and dimmer. You can customize the light's color and intensity for precision while you're crafting, painting, or reading. The dimming feature softens the brightness to offer you maximum comfort. Natural spectrum light. The lamp's long-lasting LED light means that you'll never have to change the bulb. LED provides better illumination and truer color representation for your work, reading, and craft projects. Adjustable gooseneck floor lamp. You can easily pivot this lamp's light source up or down to achieve glare-free and direct illumination on the task at hand. To minimize your eye strain, this lamp offers the closest thing to sunlight that's available indoors. Verilux, life in a better light. Verilux pioneered the concept of natural spectrum lighting over 60 years ago. This lamp is the updated LED version of the classic Verilux Original Floor Lamp. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.